How to download Schwab app on iPhone. Hey everyone, welcome to our channel. In this video, I will guide you on how you can download the Charles Schwab app on your iPhone. So without further ado, let's get started. Now, even though I'm showing you this process on my Android phone, the iPhone process could also be the same. On your iPhone, you can simply open up your App Store or open up a Safari and type in Schwab Mobile App Store. You'll find the first link from apple.com right over here, which will be the Schwab mobile app. On iPhone, this is how the application is going to look like. On Android, you simply open up your Play Store and you simply search for Schwab mobile and you'll find the application over there. But on iPhone, you open up your App Store, search for it, this is the app, and just tap the download button. This way you can download Schwab mobile on iPhone. Hope this video helped you out. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you soon in the next video.